Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked Ice Titan coming to Prodigy, but before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but let's get into the video. So like a week ago, or a little under a week ago, Prodigy released a new reskin for the Titan. The Titan got defeated, so it's no longer there. But here is what it looks like. It looks a lot better than the old Titan. And so Priest Matrix decided to go into the game files and found that there's also an Ice Titan along with what the other spines are going to look like for the Titans. So here's the Earth Titan spine. Here is the Water Titan spine. Here is the Storm Titan spine. Here is the Fire Titan spine. And most importantly, here is the Ice Titan spine. So this would pretty much confirm that there's going to be an Ice Titan coming in the near future. Could be this year, maybe not. Hopefully it will be this year. So then he also looked at what the old ones looked like, and there was an Ice Titan one. And there was an Ice Titan spines in the game files for an old Ice Titan. So that's pretty cool. And what I think could happen is that we are going to get some new gear with the next Titan. And it would look like this. This would be like Storm. This would probably be Ice. This would be Earth. This would be Fire. And this would be Water. I have no idea what element this would be. Maybe, well, it couldn't be Storm. But yeah, so those could be new Titan armor because they have like the purple gems that the Titan would have, Titan shards. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so that we can hit 2K by the end of the year, and bye.